So going on to the next piece, that is configuration to keep users logged in for X hours. The problem statement here that we wanted to solve was basically the fact that a lot of users end up dropping after adding items to the cart or after the checkout step one. We wanted to, and they were pretty close to the conversion aspect. So we wanted to make their journey a bit simpler and smoother when they come back after the marketing activities or basically abandoned cart meals and try to place in an order. But the problem that we saw was that generally these users were auto logged off on the websites just after 2 hours of logging in. And in certain cases where they close the browser, they would log in even before the 2 hours, as soon as the browser was closed. So as a part of this feature, we have basically solved for three things. First, we have solved for this browser close glitch that is now users won't get auto logged off even if the browser is closed. Um, the second piece is we have enabled, given a configuration setting on CP, wherein brands can effectively configure how long they want to keep the users logged in. Third piece being that this particular duration is rolling in nature. So let's say if a brand configures 30 days as the duration, a user comes on the first day and then comes back, logs in, drops off, and then comes back on the 15th day, the user would get auto logged off on the 45th day rather than the 30th day. How we can configure this? We can actually go to settings, application settings, then login and registration settings. In this, you would find login settings, and there is a configuration setup wherein you can enter number of hours for which the user should be kept logged in. And clicking on save would definitely, that would basically help you configure the duration. Zero, if there is a zero here, we by default consider 2 hours as the duration.
Hey Rahul, Praveen here. I had a query on this. Can
Yes,
you hear me?
Praveen.
Yeah, so for example, I want to use this feature for Endless Isle app. So in that case, is the store operator, if in case we enable this for him, he won't have to log off for 30 or 45 days, right? Like whatever the brand suggests. So my query is, will his caches be updated dynamically? And as well as what about the inventory and other features like they update every 12 hours in my brand's case. So will that happen automatically? Because right now what we are doing is asking them to log out and log in back again, every 2 or 3 days, just so that everything works properly. So will that aspect be taken care of by this?
So, Praveen, I think I will have to check the implementation of this feature with regards to Endless iLab and get back on that one. Uh,
Yeah.
if it is the similar as Storefront, as in it,
Yeah, it's the same thing. They use the login credentials just like a normal customer. So we don't have any customer over there. We have the store operators who are the customer basically.
okay. So, I mean, the user would remain logged in. The other piece being, you said that some of the product inventory details basically gets removed.
Yeah, every 12 hours or 13 hours, the inventory gets updated with the daily file. So main issue that we observe is it does not get updated in the storefront endless style app as it is supposed to. So we ask them to log out and log in back again in order to get that done. But that doesn't happen. Like, will that aspect be taken care by this if in case they are not logging out for
Ideally,
30 days?
that is an independent thing, and it should have been working even without this. Right? Because the inventory, as in if a user comes after, let's say, 6 days, um, apart from, as in I know that cart gets stale certain times, but we ended up creating a feature that was materialized cart, which basically used to recheck the whole cart and update it. So
Okay.
that use case should not be there. That's what my understanding is. So we can probably connect offline for that.
Sure, sure, sure. We can do that. Yeah.